In the ever-evolving landscape of online transactions and digital finance, the ability to navigate diverse payment platforms is becoming increasingly essential. One such platform that has garnered attention for its versatility and user-friendly interface is Payeer. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper, a freelancer receiving international payments, or someone looking to explore the vast realm of digital finance, creating a Payeer account unlocks a gateway to seamless transactions and financial flexibility, navigating the digital financial frontier. As the digital era reshapes the way we manage our finances, Payeer stands at the forefront, offering users a multifaceted solution that transcends geographical boundaries. This guide embarks on an illuminating journey into the creation of a Payeer account, unveiling the steps, intricacies, and features that make Payeer a valuable tool in the hands of online users. Understanding the significance of Payeer. In this digital age, financial transactions demand speed, security, and accessibility. Payeer, with its range of features and global reach, has positioned itself as a dynamic platform catering to the diverse needs of users worldwide. Whether you're a business owner seeking efficient payment solutions or an individual navigating the complexities of international transactions, Payeer promises a comprehensive and user-centric experience. Embarking on a tutorial expedition, join us as we unravel the process of creating a Payeer account, providing not just a step-by-step guide, but also insights into the features that set Payeer apart. From account setup to security measures, this tutorial aims to equip users with the knowledge to harness the full potential of Payeer in their digital financial endeavors. Welcome to the world of Payeer, a gateway to a seamless global financial experience. Ready to dive into the world of online transactions? Subscribe now and master the art of creating your Payeer account. 1. Creating your Payeer account, a step-by-step odyssey. Now that we've set sail into the realm of Payeer, let's chart a course through the creation of your very own Payeer account. This segment is not just a walkthrough, it's a comprehensive guide designed to empower you with the knowledge needed to navigate the nuances of account creation seamlessly. A. Embarking on the registration journey. Our odyssey begins with accessing the Payeer website, the digital harbor for global financial transactions. We guide you through the registration process, ensuring clarity on every step. From providing essential personal information to choosing authentication methods, you'll find this journey user-friendly and secure. B. Verification, hoisting the sails of security. The security of your digital vessel is paramount. We delve into the verification processes, elucidating the measures Payeer employs to ensure the authenticity and integrity of your account. Whether it's through email or phone verification, understanding these steps adds an extra layer of protection to your financial voyage. C. Setting up the helm, security measures. As you set sail into the digital financial sea, securing your vessel is crucial. This part is dedicated to configuring your account's security measures, including the implementation of two-factor authentication and the adoption of password best practices. Your peace of mind is our priority. D. Navigating the Payeer dashboard, your command center. With your account set up and secured, we guide you through the intricacies of the Payeer dashboard. This section provides a panoramic view of the user interface, enabling you to familiarize yourself with account settings and customization options. Embark on this voyage with us, and by the end of Part 2, you'll not only have a fully functional Payeer account, but also the knowledge to navigate it with confidence and finesse in the vast seas of digital finance. Ready to set sail? Let's continue our expedition. 2. Navigating the Payeer dashboard, your financial command center. As we sail further into the realm of Payeer, Part 3 is a compass guiding you through the intricacies of the Payeer dashboard, your financial command center in the vast digital ocean. Understanding the features, options, and tools at your disposal is key to unlocking the full potential of your Payeer account. A. The panoramic view. Overview of the Payeer dashboard. Dive deep into the user interface, exploring the intuitive layout of the Payeer dashboard. From account settings to customization options, this section provides a panoramic view, ensuring you become adept at maneuvering through the various sections seamlessly. B. Mastering account settings. Tailoring Payeer to your needs. Account settings are the sails that catch the wind in your financial voyage. Learn to navigate through the settings, personalizing your Payeer experience. Whether it's updating personal information or adjusting security preferences, this part empowers you to tailor Payeer according to your unique needs. C. Exploring features for fund management. As we explore the dashboard, we uncover features designed to streamline fund management. From viewing transaction history to exploring funding options, understanding these tools enhances your ability to manage and monitor your finances effectively. D. Optimizing workflows. Tips for efficient navigation. Efficiency is the wind in the sails of productivity. In this section, discover tips and tricks for optimizing your workflows within the Payeer dashboard. Whether you're receiving payments or transferring funds, these insights ensure smooth navigation through the digital currents. By the end of Part 3, you'll not only be acquainted with the Payeer dashboard, but also adept at utilizing its features to tailor your financial experience. Ready to take command of your financial ship? Join us as we unravel the tools that make Payeer your trusted companion in the realm of digital finance. 3. Depositing funds into your Payeer account. A wealth of options. Having mastered the art of navigating the Payeer dashboard, Part 4 sets sail into the seas of fund deposition, a crucial aspect of harnessing the full potential of your Payeer account. In this leg of the journey, we explore the diverse options available to deposit funds, ensuring your financial vessel is well stocked for the ventures ahead. A. Linking bank accounts and cards. Your financial anchors. The first port of call in depositing funds is understanding how to link your bank accounts or credit-debit cards to your Payeer account. We provide a detailed guide, ensuring a seamless process for connecting your financial anchors to your digital vessel. B. Diving into deposit options, exploring versatility. Payeer offers a range of deposit options and we navigate through each, unveiling the versatility at your disposal. From traditional bank transfers to electronic wallets and cryptocurrencies, this part ensures you're well versed in the array of choices for funding your Payeer account. C. Step-by-step guide to depositing funds. Embark on a step-by-step journey, demystifying the process of depositing funds into your Payeer account. Clear instructions ensure you navigate through each stage with confidence, optimizing the efficiency of your financial transactions. As we conclude Part 4, your Payeer vessel is not only well charted, but also well fueled, ready to set sail with a fully equipped financial ship. Join us in the next leg of our expedition as we explore the art of withdrawing funds, ensuring you master the ebb and flow of your digital finances. 4. Withdrawing funds from your Payeer account, navigating the ebb and flow. As our exploration of Payeer continues, Part 5 marks the next crucial chapter. Withdrawing funds from your digital treasure chest. Navigating the ebb and flow of withdrawals is paramount for any financial voyage, and this section is your guide to ensuring a smooth and efficient process. A. Understanding withdrawal options, tailoring to your needs. Before setting sail on the withdrawal journey, familiarize yourself with the various options Payeer provides. Whether it's transferring funds to your bank account, using external payment systems, or leveraging cryptocurrency withdrawals, this part unveils the spectrum of choices at your disposal. B. Navigating withdrawal fees and processing times. Smooth navigation through the financial currents requires understanding the terrain. Delve into the details of withdrawal fees, ensuring you're aware of the costs associated with different methods. We also explore processing times, allowing you to plan your financial maneuvers with foresight. C. Step-by-step guide to withdrawing funds. Embark on a step-by-step guide to withdrawing funds, demystifying the process to ensure you navigate with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a novice mariner, this guide ensures that the withdrawal journey is as straightforward as it is secure. By the conclusion of Part 5, You'll not only comprehend the avenues for withdrawing funds from your Payeer account, but also be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions based on your unique financial goals. Ready to master the ebb and flow of your digital finances? Join us in the next leg as we delve into the security measures and compliance protocols that safeguard your financial vessel. 5. Security measures and compliance, safeguarding your Payeer finances. As we embark on the 6th leg of our Payeer expedition, security becomes the lodestar guiding our financial vessel. In Part 6, we delve into the robust security measures and compliance protocols implemented by Payeer, ensuring that your digital treasure remains fortified in the vast and dynamic seas of the online financial world. A. Encryption and multi-factor authentication. Fortifying your vault. Payeer takes the security of your financial vault seriously. Explore the encryption protocols in place, ensuring that your sensitive information is shielded against digital tides. Additionally, learn about the significance of multi-factor authentication, a second layer of defense that fortifies the walls of your financial fortress. B. International financial regulations, navigating the regulatory seas. In the global expanse of online finance, compliance with international financial regulations is imperative. Part 6 unveils how Payeer aligns with and adheres to these regulations, ensuring that your financial voyage remains not only secure, but also ethically sound within the framework of international financial standards. C. Practical steps for account security, your personal watchtower. While Payeer maintains a robust defense, your proactive involvement is equally vital. This section equips you with practical steps to enhance your account security. From judicious password management to staying vigilant against phishing attempts, these measures serve as your personal watchtower in safeguarding your Payeer account. By the end of Part 6, you'll not only comprehend the security measures implemented by Payeer, but also be empowered to actively contribute to the protection of your financial vessel. Ready to sail through the secure waters of online finance? Join us in the next leg as we explore Payeer's customer support services and available educational resources. 6. Customer support and resources, anchors in your Payeer journey. As we continue our odyssey through the realms of Payeer, Part 7 emerges as a guiding light, emphasizing the importance of reliable customer support services and a wealth of educational resources. In the unpredictable seas of online finance, having sturdy anchors in the form of support and knowledge is paramount for a smooth and secure voyage. A. Dedicated customer support services, your nautical lifeline. Navigate through the avenues of Payeer's customer support services, understanding the channels available for assistance. From responsive communication to timely issue resolution, this section ensures that you are never adrift in the face of challenges, with Payeer's customer support serving as your reliable nautical lifeline. B. Accessing educational resources, the compass for financial wisdom. Embark on a journey through the educational resources offered by Payeer. From comprehensive guides to insightful tutorials, these resources serve as your compass, guiding you through the intricate waters of online finance. Gain the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and optimize your Payeer experience. C. Community forums and networking opportunities, sailing with peers, beyond individual support. Explore the vibrant community forums and networking opportunities within the Payeer ecosystem. Connect with fellow sailors, share experiences, and tap into the collective wisdom of the community. These forums provide a collaborative environment where sailors can navigate the waters together. By the conclusion of Part 7, you'll not only be familiar with the support services Payeer provides, but also equipped with educational resources and the camaraderie of a community. Ready to anchor your knowledge and support system? Join us in the final leg as we unveil real-life success stories and insights from freelancers who have thrived with Payeer. 7. Success stories, navigating prosperity with Payeer. In the penultimate chapter of our Payeer exploration, Part 8 sets sail into the inspiring world of success stories, real narratives from freelancers who have harnessed the power of Payeer to elevate their global careers. These stories not only serve as beacons of inspiration, but also offer tangible insights into the practical application of Payeer in the expansive sea of freelancing. A. Showcasing diverse paths to success. Embark on a journey through the diverse paths traversed by freelancers from around the globe. Whether overcoming financial barriers, expanding client bases internationally, or streamlining payment processes, these success stories showcase the myriad ways in which Payeer has become an indispensable ally in the professional triumphs of freelancers. B. Testimonials and lessons. Learned interwoven with each success story are testimonials and lessons learned, providing invaluable takeaways for freelancers at various stages of their careers. From practical tips on leveraging Payeer features to insights into building a thriving freelance business, these testimonials serve as a testament to the transformative impact Payeer has had on the professional trajectories of freelancers. C. Insights from established freelancers on integrating Payeer. Established freelancers who have transitioned from novices to seasoned professionals share their insights on seamlessly integrating Payeer into their workflows. Their experiences shed light on the adaptability and scalability of Payeer, demonstrating its efficacy for freelancers at different career milestones. As we conclude Part 8, these success stories not only inspire but also provide a roadmap for freelancers to navigate the freelancing seas with Payeer as their trusted compass. Ready to set sail into a world of possibilities? Join us in the final part as we summarize key takeaways and leave you inspired and empowered to navigate your freelance career with Payeer. 8. Conclusion: charting your freelance course with Payeer. As we navigate the final leg of our comprehensive guide to Payeer, freelancers stand at the threshold of a new era in global freelancing. Payeer, more than a financial tool, emerges as a steadfast ally for freelancers seeking not just payments, but financial empowerment on a global scale. A recap of key takeaways. Recall the foundational elements explored in this guide. Setting up a Payeer account, understanding its features and benefits, navigating global payments, optimizing workflows, and tapping into the wealth of resources and support it offers. These pillars serve as the compass guiding freelancers through the multifaceted landscape of global freelancing. B. Payeer as a catalyst for global success. Payeer transcends its role as a payment platform. It is a catalyst for global success. Its versatility in handling currencies, robust security measures, and seamless integration into freelance workflows make it a powerhouse in the hands of freelancers, navigating the complexities of a global marketplace. C. Empowering freelancers in a connected community. This journey extends beyond financial transactions. It extends to a community of freelancers, each contributing to and benefiting from the collective wisdom within the Payeer ecosystem. The stories of success and the collaborative spirit fostered in forums create an environment where freelancers not only survive, but thrive. D. Navigating the dynamic future of freelancing. As the landscape of freelancing continues to evolve, freelancers equipped with Payeer find themselves well positioned to navigate the dynamic shifts. The lessons learned, insights gained, and connections formed within the Payeer community become invaluable assets in this ever-changing landscape. In the realm of global freelancing, Payeer stands as more than a financial tool. It is a bridge connecting freelancers to opportunities, resources, and a global community. Armed with knowledge, inspiration, and the reliability of Payeer, freelancers are poised not just to survive but to flourish in the exciting and interconnected future of freelancing. Don't miss out on the step-by-step guide to creating your Payeer account. Check our playlist, hit subscribe button now to ensure you're at the forefront of online financial empowerment.